This first one will be for holding small to medium-sized angle grinders. I'm making two of them because I have a small Harbor Freight angle grinder and a larger one that I've gotten more recently. I will attach a French cleat to the back of each of these small boards. I like the French cleats because it's very adjustable. I have changed my French cleat wall setup at least 3 times. Then on the bottom of that board, I will attach my little brackety hanger doohickey. Then I'll make something to hold my trim router. When I need to get a piece out of wood that is too thin for my table saw, I'll split it with a chisel and use a hand plane to get to my line. And these little pieces of wood will keep so my trim router won't fall off. These are just secured with CA glue and accelerator. Because there will be no real stress on these, they just have to stay in place so that the trim router doesn't fall. And this will have a similar attaching method to the angle grinder hanger, where the platform will sit a ways below the French cleat itself. This method of hanging the tool a ways below where it attaches to the French cleat works well because if the weight is too high, the French cleat tends to be less stable and there's a better chance of it falling off the wall. So bringing it down just seems to give it a much better center of gravity. And making some different holders for the different router attachments I have. By the way, this clip is real time. I didn't speed it up at all. I really enjoy using my bandsaw to cut out these odd shapes. Works really well being able to freehand things like that. I'm I'm tracing out the position of each of the brackets. Then I'll flip the piece over, realign them, and I'll drive screws in from the back. And the French cleat. And now for the Big Daddy angle grinder. This angle grinder is so large that I did not want to hang it the same way I'll be hanging the others. It just didn't feel quite right. Again, marking out where the brackets go. This time I decided to add a little CA glue and accelerator to hold it in place. This worked well and was much easier than trying to line it up and just guess where it was. And then drive screws in from the back. Still driving screws in from the back. And the fun part, getting everything on the wall. I do need to find some better form of cord management. I haven't figured that one out yet. I added 2 small magnets in the front of my trim router holder to hold the adjustment wrenches. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more like this, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and God bless.